Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special and very important for all my viewers, my subscriber, because my brother, this time Polygon is completely on the trending 5.44%. They will get a profit in very short time. So definitely, my friends, Polygon will pumps up after very long time. But I hope, I am 100% sure, my friend, to upcoming time they will more and more increase now. So kindly holder, in those days, if you want to get a very good profit now, you will need to watch this complete video, because my brother, in this video I will give you something very important information, and please do this. I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, so you will earn a lot of money in this month, just and only in this month, my brother, from Polygon. So let's get started, my friends. Especially for short time investor, this video is very important, because if you invest for a short time, so definitely you will need, my friends, to watch this video. My brother, please don't take any decision before you research personally, but in this time, my friend, what I tell you, absolutely all experts says now. So after that, my friend, I will tell you, my brother, everybody know this too. After a dump, every coin will form. So therefore, my friend, this coin were very badly dumps down in previous days, but and this time, my friend, you can see a 5.44% they will get a profit. So it's not a small profit, it's a very good profit and very high, my friend. And I am 100% sure, my friend, to upcoming days Polygon price will more pump like that. So definitely, if they will more pump, so just in only if they will get a 10% profit, so I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will easily hit now $2, and this time the price is very cheap now. So my opinion is, for all of you, my opinion for all of you, to please hold, and I hope, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. So please, before you will take any decision, research personally, but this is just and only for all of you, my advice, my opinion. So please holder, if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time, holder. Please like and subscribe channel.